Alright, today I am opening some Lorcana, Rise of the Floodborn. I have 5 packs to open. We're looking for enchanted cards. I did pull one last week. I got a Sheer Con. It's this one right here. So we're looking for that lovely rainbow hexagon at the bottom of the card. So let's get started with the first pack here. Oh, it doesn't want to open. There we go. I do like that they come with this puzzle piece at the back of it, so it does hide what your last card is. Let's see, so we got a Boone, a Verana, Cruella de Vil, Sleepy, Merlin, Donald Duck, so that's all of our common cards. Then we got a Nick Wilde for uncommon. I don't think I've gotten any of him yet. Very cool. A Pinocchio, Nana. And for our first bronze triangle, we got a Merlin, the rabbit, and another bronze triangle behind it of Gaston. And the foil is just a common foil, nothing too crazy. Next pack. Alright, we got a Lady Tremaine, Verana again, a Jasmine. I don't think I've gotten that Mulan yet. That one's actually has really pretty art. I like that. Very cool. Chip the Cup, Last Cannon. White books, we've got Queen of Hearts, a Li Shang, Donald Duck, and then a Sheer Con for the bronze triangle. And then we actually have a silver square behind this one, so a little bit better of a card here, and it's a Raya. Very cool. And we got a common for the foil again. It's Jiminy Cricket. Let's see. Be an Enchanted. Be an Enchanted at the back of this one. Okay. What did you call me? Gaston, Rabbit, Sneezy, Jiminy Cricket, Tiana. Our white book, we have Card Soldiers, Mouse Armor, a Bell. Oh, wow. We skipped right over the bronze triangles and went to a silver square Mickey Mouse. So that is a cool one. Actually got 2 silver squares in this one. So we got the Mickey and a Dr. Facilier. Let's see. And it is just a base card foil of Cruella. Still pretty cool on that one. Silver squares are the 3rd rarest. And let's see, we got a Go the Distance, Radigan, Gumbo Pot, Queen, Chip, Charge. White book, we got Can You Fly, Ellie LaBouffe, Eli probably, LaBouffe, a Bounce, and the bronze triangles, Teeth and Ambition. Ooh, we got a gold pentagon, so that one's a legendary. And it's a Donald Duck. I don't think I've gotten this one yet. And the foil at the back is a bronze triangle, so that one's a little bit better there too. Very cool. I'm gonna actually go ahead and just put this gold one right into a penny sleeve, so I don't have to worry about it. Here we go. That one's a cool one. We love gold pentagons. We still are hoping for that enchanted card in this pack for the last pack. We got a Felicia, Always Hungry, Queen of Hearts, James, Eudora, Croquet Mallet, Hercules, a Robin Hood for the First White Book, Queen of Hearts. I don't think I've gotten this Queen of Hearts with this art yet, so that one's cool. A Cheshire Cat. Lots of Alice in Wonderland out of these packs, which is my favorite Disney movie, so I'm not mad at all. Prince John, Greatest of All for the bronze triangle. And then we do have a silver square here of Yzma. But that one's super neat as well. Oh, I seem to have put the scar on the wrong pile. Yzma, and then it is just a base foil on the back, Go the Distance. So no enchanted cards for me this time, but we did get the Mickey, or the Donald. I was close, I guess. A Donald Duck gold pentagon. So pretty cool. Still have to keep looking for more of those enchanted cards though. Awesome.